Welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I would like to apologize. There was no video last week, but I just had some technical issues and I'm good now. Anyway, I'm about to finish Major's Dutch Schaefer project today, and I cannot wait to present you my plans for the next couple of weeks. But before that happens, we have still work to do. To complete our Arnold, we need to fix some weapons here. We'll paint the previously sprayed knife, machete and handgun, according to our reference materials. I find painting these elements rather uncomplicated. The dominant color here is black, which is intended to imitate leather and textile. Then we will weather everything with a little bit of sand wash. The gun is painted in the red, brown and gunmetal colors.
Perfect.
For me, painting chrome elements is always the same two stages process. First, high gloss primer from Vallejo and then chrome paint from Green Stuff World. Of course, everything applied with an airbrush, and I set my air pressure in the compressor something about 20-30 psi.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.
As soon as I started printing this model, I had only one image in my head of a small diorama that would look more like a real jungle, and for this purpose I bought of artificial plants on eBay and one package of plaster. It cost me about €20, but I think it's worth it. So let's get dirty. We will need water and silicone mold, something like the one you baking cake in it, like a cake mold, some small twigs and branches, a little bit dirt from the yard or garden or woods, and of course we're gonna need also plastic cups. They are useful for measuring equal amounts. We have to mix plaster and water in 1-to-1 ratio, and it have to be done real quickly because this mix starts to harden after about 5 minutes, and after another 10 minutes it's already solid rock. So we pour our plaster mass into the mold right now, some palm trees imitation as well. And to reduce the final weight a bit, I will use cork mats as a filler. Yeah, we can also throw in some sand and gravel from our yard. After about 12 hours, I'm removing it from the mold. Now we can start adding different type of vegetation. I also sprayed my palm leaves to add some color variations. Large palm leaves are ribbed with thin wire, They can be easily attached to the surface by drilling a small hole in it, and then you can shape them as you wish because they are quite flexible. This product is perfect for reproducing elements of various surfaces. Mixed with the sand, it creates a nice irregular texture. In this situation, we're going to use it as an element of jungle terrain, but I have also used it in the past as a snow. These are all weather-based products, so they can be mixed together without any problems. Sand, small stones, moss from the forest. You can add actually whatever you want. As a sand and gravel fixer, I use PVA glue diluted with water in a 50-50 ratio. I also add color to this mix to prepare the base for applying pigments a little bit later. Okay, the model is finished at last. I think it's turned out okay. From a different perspective, I think that if I would build this model again, I would change a few things. However, I'm glad that I could present to you a variety of techniques, and I will try to do the same with each next model. Of course, I could go the easy way and paint everything with an airbrush. but I don't know if this is the right way to do this. On my channel, I like to do things on my own and my own way, and the next model will be the best example to this. I hope you did enjoy this series, and if you do, leave the thumb up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because in the next series you will see...
Let's roll!